Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be covering exponents of decimals, and we're going to go through 4 examples on your screen in order to help you get this out. So let's jump right into the number 1, where we have 2/10 to the power of 4. So this means we have to expand the 0.2 4 times. Let's move this out of the way a little bit, and this one also, so we have enough space to do the problems. So the exponent tells us we have to expand the 0.2 4 times and multiply them by itself. So we do 0.2 times 2, times 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.2. So this is what the exponent tells us to do. I like to do this another way. I like to think of it as just 2. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This makes it a bit easier. So now 2 times 2 equals 4 times 2 equals 8 times 2 equals 16. Now this won't be your final answer because we changed the number. We need to look how many numbers are right of the decimal. So we can check this by just counting them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we have to do is put the decimal and move to the left 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the decimal here. So our answer will be 0.0016. This will be our final answer of the first example. So let's jump into the second example. We're going to just do the same thing. We're going to take this and expand it 3 times, because our exponent is 3 this time. So again, we're not going to multiply this by each other. We're going to do 4. So 4 times 4 times 4. This will equal 64, because 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. Now all we have to do is 64, and now we have to check how many decimals are to the right, how many numbers are to the right of the decimal. Now, if you didn't write this up, it can be a bit harder, so I'm gonna write it. So 0.04 times 0.04 times 0.04. So now we can see how many numbers are to the right of the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now what we have to do is move back 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We put our 0 to the left, our decimal here, and just fill the spots in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this will be your final answer of the second example. It's pretty complicated, but with a bit of practice, I promise you, you'll get the hang of it, and it will be pretty easy. So, on to the third example. We're running out of space a bit, but it's okay. On to the third example. We have 0.5 to the power of 3. So, we have to expand it by 3. 0.5 times 0.5 times 0.5. Now, we have done this. We're just gonna do 5 times 5. 5 times 5 times 5. So, this equals 125. Now, this won't be our final answer again, because we have to add the decimals. We see how many decimals are to the right. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 3. We start to the right and we count back. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, as you can see, the decimal is here. So just put a point right here, put a 0 in front of it, and this will be your final answer. 0.125. 25. So, on to the last one. We have 1.2 to the power of 2. This one is a bit different because it has a 1 and these all had a 0 at the start. So, but this doesn't change much. It's just pretty simple again. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. So, with the power of 2, so we do 1.2 times 1.2. 2 times because that's what the exponent shows us to do. So, now we have this. We're just gonna do 12 times 12. This will get us 144. Now again, this won't be your final answer because we have decimals. And we took them out, so we have to count them again. So let's count them. We have 1 and we have 2. This time it's only 2. So we start from the right again, count back. 1, 2. Our decimal should be right here. So our final answer will be 1.44. This will be our final answer of the fourth example. So this was the video on how to get the answers of the exponents of the decimals with a little trick I use. So I hope you guys understand the video. Leave a like if you did. And you can always ask the questions in the comments and subscribe to the channel, of course. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.